Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We are back checking out another one of LiTime's great 24-volt, 200-amp-hour 8D batteries. These are really great because you can output an insane amount of power with these, and LiTime makes an awesome solar inverter charger that's actually based 24-volt. Super good combo to have. 12 volts great, but you can only get so much with your amperage, so if you get to 24 volt, basically the same amount of amps, you're going to get double the power. If you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount on top of the discount going on right now, feel free to use my promo code AdventureTech. Use the links in the comments, get over to this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. So LiTime's 24-volt 200-amp-hour LiFePO battery has exceptional quality. They got EV grade A LiFePO battery cells. All these different certifications has higher energy density, means less size and weight, more power, and excellent stable performance. These outperform lead-acid batteries in every way, shape, and form. Super longevity offers the best value. LiTime's 24-volt 200-amp-hour lithium battery can run 4,000 to 15,000 cycles, which is over 8 times lead-acid batteries. This battery can reach 100% state of charge and depth of discharge and has over 10-year lifespan. That's 3 times longer than lead-acid battery lifetime, and LiTime LiFePO batteries offer you the nicest price and cost effectiveness. And plus, these batteries actually have built-in computers keeping them safe. You're not going to get that with your lead-acid battery systems at all. BMS, or battery management systems, ensure safety and longevity. Built-in 200-amp BMS protects the LiFePO battery from potential risk for long-term use. The reliable BMS has protections against overvoltage, undervoltage, overheating, overcurrent, and short circuit. 3% ultra-low self-discharge rate per month makes it long-lasting as well. So if you're going to be using these in a periodic style, don't even worry about that because they have ultra-low self-discharge rate. Feel comfortable and get peace of mind when using it anytime, anywhere. And this battery weighs 83 pounds. That's only 1/3 the weight of two 12-volt 200-amp-hour lead-acid batteries. Another advantage you can't ignore is its simple wiring connections. This means less wires. You don't have to wire a bunch of batteries together. Don't need to connect 4 12-volt 100-amp-hour batteries. Instead, you can use just one 24-volt 200-amp-hour battery pack. And if you still have 12-volt stuff, don't worry, you can always use a step-down converter right off the 24-volt battery, step it down to 12-volt. You can still run all your old stuff and upgrade to the new 24-volt battery setup. With 5,120 watt-hour higher energy, this 24-volt 200-amp-hour lithium battery equals 2 24-volt 100-amp-hour lithium batteries. And the best thing that you can output at a higher amperage, which is going to give you a higher wattage when you output. You can output at 5,120 watts continuously. You can only get half of that from a 24-volt 100-amp-hour battery usually. So right now is a really good time trying to highlight all the sales as they're happening. LiTime's got really good discounts going on. Plus, you can use my promo code AdventureTech, get an additional discount. Use the links in the comments or description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. And you can subscribe to my channel 100% for free just by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these limited deals.